What is it? Are you upset Dexter's on the couch? What is it? Yeah? Then that's to say, you're a pretty girl. I know. You know. We all know. You okay now? I think she's okay now. What was that? That was me. Is Dexter still on the couch? I know. You can come on the couch with us. No. If you're not first, you're last. And you weren't first. She doesn't like that. You're always first. You're always first. I know. Can you smile for the camera? Mommy's taking a video. Can you give me one of your summer smiles?
Don't do it.
Why are you crying? You don't know? Are you a good girl? You're a good girl. You can come on the couch with us. There's room for you too. You want the whole couch juice up? I know. But you have a nice dog bed. That's a nice dog bed you have. It's the Canadian dog bed. You don't care. You don't care.
Nope.
Don't care, Mom. You want to be on the couch with the blanket and the pillow and Mama? Hey. Summer? You okay? Hey. You wanna watch one of your videos? You wanna watch TV? Do your dog videos?